video, I'm going to show you how you can create these creative curls using the GHD Creative Curl Wand. Now, this hairstyle does take quite a bit of time, but the results are just amazing and beautiful. And I will put links to all of the products that I'm using in the description below. I'm kasianbeauti, a half Korean, half Caucasian chick who is obsessed with skincare, makeup, beauty, and health. This year, I'm dedicating to providing you with weekly videos. And as always, if you do find any of this content helpful, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Now before you start, you want to make sure that you prep your hair first, and I will put the link in the description below of how to prep your hair and blow dry your hair prior. You want to make sure that you have a nice clean blowout before you actually curl your hair. So let's get started. I need to section off my hair. Now I'm kind of going to be looking back and forth between my mirror and the camera so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So I section off parts of my hair because I have a lot of hair, so I need to create maybe 3 different sections. So I'm just going to create a small section at the bottom here, and I'm going to take a clip and clip the rest of my hair back so I can focus on this part of my hair when I'm actually doing the curl. And I'm going to take a piece about this big. I'm going to start up my GHD Creative Curl Wand and make sure that it's hot first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to point it down and I'm going to wrap my hair around it away from my face. So I start wrapping, and I have a lot of hair. And then I'll kind of, once I get the hair wrapped around, I'll kind of tighten and curl the rest of the top. And I will count for 13 seconds. And you see that you have this very nice curl. Now, one thing I did forget to do was put the heat protectant spray in first before I curled it. You want to do that prior. I'll do that on the next piece so you can see. But this is the kind of curl that it creates. Look at that. Now, my hair is very thick, so I have to hold the curl in place for 13 seconds just to get a curl. You probably don't have to do that. I would say maybe try, 5 seconds first, and then if it doesn't curl, maybe 10 seconds, but don't burn your hair off. I have very thick hair and it's very hard to curl, so that's why I have to hold it for 13 seconds. All right, I'm going to take the next piece and I'm going to actually curl it the opposite way. So you want to alternate the types of curls. And I did forget to spray my hair. You want to protect your hair from the curling wand, so you want to make sure that you always spray it. Now I'm going to actually curl it. I'm going to wrap it the opposite way that I did the last curl because I want to create different curls, and then I'm just going to twirl the curling iron in to get the rest of the hair, and then I'm going to count. For me, I'm going to count for 13 seconds. All right, it's been 13 seconds, and I'm just going to take it out. There you have it. You see this nice curl that gets created. I love this curl wand. I mean, look at how amazing these curls are. All right, and so now I'm just going to do the rest of my hair in this section. And so I'm going to fast forward this so you don't have to sit with me here. All right, so after I've done one section, I'm going to take another, I'm going to probably take half of this section that I have pulled back here, and I'm going to do the next section. Make sure that you spray it. This time I'm going to do this one. I started this first one away from the face. I'm going to start this one towards the face. I'm just going to turn it, and I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to let it out. And look at that curl. Wow. So beautiful. So I just have this one section piece in the front. I'm going to finish this off. Again, I just like to do the front part last on one side because you want to make sure at least the front looks decent. So don't forget to alternate the curls. So I did that one towards the face, so I'm going to do this one away from the face. I've kind of angled the curling iron as well down. Again, hold your hand underneath so that the curl comes down in your hand, and then let it drop. And last piece on this side. I'm going to do the front away from the face. Right. there you have, one side is curled and one side is not curled yet. So this is what it looks like. Guys, this creative curl wand is amazing. It creates the most beautiful curls. I mean, look at this. All right, I'm going to start and I'm going to do the other side now. And that's it. This is what my hair looks like curled with the GHD Creative Curl Wand. I mean, look at these curls. How amazing. Look at this. Wow, and you can brush it out if you'd like to. I've never tried that before. Actually, I'm going to try that and then maybe do another video on that. If you'd like to see that, leave your comments below. Thank you everybody for watching. I will leave all of the links to the products that I'm using in the description below. And as always, if you found this content helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.